Hey guys, who remembers when I did this back in December for the part of my winter decorations, my Christmas decorations? It's well past time to change it out or to take it off. And actually, I'm going to be changing it out, of course, because I have a cute winter design I want to put up here. But first, we got to clean this off. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it, so hang tight. First thing you're going to do is just take some water. This is dried chalk. It's been on here ever since. I'm just going to wet it a little bit, and then I'm going to let it sit. What that is doing is reactivating the chalk and making it more of a, moisture, and adding the moisture to it so that I can easily remove it. And we're just going to have to wait just a few minutes, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, now that that has sat on there for just a little bit to soften the chalk paste, we are going to take one of our scrapers. This is from available in my inline shop, and we are just going to start scraping the chalk paste. Some of it you can tell is wetter than other pieces, so you may have to spray more water on it because you don't want to scratch your window, obviously. So if you hear an area where it feels like it's not quite as fluid, then just spray a little more water on it. It's going to be a little messy for a sec, but easily cleaned up. Just wet chalk paste, and it's coming off, as you can see, onto my scraper. If you don't have one of my kind of scrapers, just find something. Pampered Chef tool, or even the Dollar Tree has scrapers. I just want to work up, get all of the largest part of the chalk removed with this. Now, a lot of times I will take a board eraser if I'm doing this on a chalkboard, but since I'm doing it on the glass, I'm just going to work with this scraper, some paper towels. That feels like it still needs some water, and some glass cleaner. Obviously, the water's going to run down some, so it doesn't always sit right where you need it to, but I'm applying medium pressure. Okay, once that's done, you now have wet chalk all on your scraper. It's pretty messy, so just take your little piece of paper towel and you can wipe that right off, and then dispose of that in the trash. Comes right off very easily. Set that aside. Now I'm actually going to spray it a little bit more with some water and use one of my paper towels to just get the rest of the wet chalk off. Kind of pick up, see how it's still got some on there that the scraper didn't grab. And then when you're done with that, you've gotten all the chalk residue off. Now you can clean your window. And obviously you can leave it clear, or you can reapply a fun design. I am just going to use some glass cleaner. Oh, there's a little piece. Try to get the hunks off before I start cleaning it, all the chalk paste. You can use some glass cleaner to do that. And honestly, you guys, I recommend and I didn't grab one, but I recommend using like a coffee filter to do it. Just getting all the drips. Or even if you have like a window cloth that's microfiber that's lint free. And then you have a clean surface and are ready to go with your next project idea. Simple as that. Hope you like this idea. Stay tuned for what I put on here next.